So we had a crash this morning, but we did a repair, and what we did was the whole back end pretty much broke off, so we had to put popsicle sticks in it. We had this weldbond glue that we worked, and it worked pretty well, and we put tape over it, and the little piece there broke, so we just put wire on it so that it would connect, and it works pretty good. And the gray part that connects over top of so the plastic part, we used as zap straps, and it works fine. It's basically like the one that was on there, and so it's working pretty well. We just had to fix the trim, because when we put it on, it was a little bit up, so it made it wanted to do a nosedive. So we just fixed that, and it's working fine now.
Who was flying it when it crashed?
My brother.
Want to do one of your specialty landings? Okay.
No.
Oh.
Better landing than that. Can't do good landings on things. It just doesn't
Yeah.
work like that.
I got some of you at the track the other day where you landed it real good. Nice. Good job.
Thanks.